Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I will be showing you the sticky slime I have because I took it out of this bag and it got so sticky this morning because I put way too much water on it. So I wanted to share and show you this slime that I have. Does someone hear that? Does someone hear that? Did you guys hear that? Let me check what time is it. I can't check time. Sorry, but it's so weird. I heard that. Did you guys hear like that's creepy. Who cares? Be on with the video. So I won't do a very long video like I naturally always do. So I just want to show you this quick thing about my slime. Look at it. So cool. I'm not sure why it got sticky, but I remember told you this that. Do you guys hear something? Okay, who cares? It's creepy. Usually don't hear that noises in my house. But this morning I want to show my friends my slime. So I put a bunch of water on it. And it got so sticky. Oh. So that's what I wanted to tell you. It's because it's way for stickies. Sticky slime. It's kind of crunchy slime because here it is. Like. Wait. Stretch it and then hear that kind of like some nice creaking sound. It feels so good. So I just wanted to show you this video so quick because look. Ugh. So this slime is purple slime, and oops, and I made it out of darn it, I forgot the ingredients. So I have it in a paper, and I'll show you that paper, and then later on, maybe tomorrow, because we just have a bunch of things to do, and that's all I want to show you. So bye guys. See you next time. And bye guys. See you next time.